Welcome to Studer. Experience the art of grinding. The Fritz Studer AG was established in 1912 and is making history ever since. As a family-run business for over 3 generations, Studer is now part of the Schleifring Group, which is a subdivision of the German Körber Foundation. Over the years, Studer has contributed considerably to the development of precision cylindrical grinding and employs meanwhile more than 600 people. About 100 people work in the research and development division for Studer Hard and Software. The Studer spirit of research, together with an excellent infrastructure, is what continually expands the limits in hard, fine machining. This flair for new technologies and innovations helps to secure Studer's leading role on the global market. The Studer grinding software provides customers with great benefits when it comes to complex grinding tasks. Its ability to maintain process reliability and keeping the machining times short is of benefit to everybody in today's fast-paced world. The cornerstone of the legendary Studer precision is the vibration damping machine bed made out of granitan, a type of mineral casting. Our modern just-in-time production line guarantees consistent quality. However, our focus is on our employees. Our highly qualified staff is anxious to continually upgrade their skills in order to complete all tasks in a professional manner. Critical components are always manufactured at our own plant. In this way, existing know-how can be utilized to ensure top quality at all times. Sub-assemblies are handled with greatest care and put together with expertise. Afterwards, each individual component has to pass a quality check. Motor spindles, the heart of the wheel head, are one of Studer's core competencies and are produced from start to finish at our own plant. Thanks to the refined logistic system, Studer Pulse, the throughput times of our standard machines are constantly optimized. The purchase of a grinding system represents the perfect solution for the customer's grinding needs. Besides the ideal Studer machine and fully automated peripheral devices, this also includes introduction and training that is best suited for each individual application. Even the comprehensive Studer know-how is included in this package. During the machine acceptance phase, the customer has the opportunity to reassure that the promised process reliability is achieved. A very modern measuring laboratory is available for this purpose. After the customer has made a purchase, we provide professional consulting services. Many problems can be resolved directly by phone. Spare parts are stored for as long as 10 years after the production stop of a machine type. We offer overhauls of complete machines or single components by our specialists. Service technicians are available all around the world. They are on site quickly and speak the customer's language. In the customer center, 10 machines are reserved for customer-specific grinding trials and training. These services are very important to Studer, since only well-trained customers can benefit from all the features a Studer machine has to offer. Studer offers a comprehensive machine program for all possible cylindrical grinding applications for both single-part and batch production of small to medium-sized workpieces. Where technical skills have high priority and a diameter has to be ground quickly, Studer is the way to go. Versatility, short changeover times, highest precision – this is why Studer universal grinding machines stand out from its competitors. Productivity does not compromise. Studer offers you tailor-made systems. Studer quality can also be found in internal cylindrical grinding as well as in other production and all-purpose applications. New hard turning and grinding in a single clamping. Increase your productivity at the highest level of quality. As market leader, Studer produces over 500 machines annually on a production surface of 31,000 square meters. Judge Studer's competence yourself and visit us in Thun. You're always welcome at Studer. We are looking forward to meeting you.